It's me once again with the math solutions. In this video, we'll be talking about Pythagoras Theorem. But before we continue, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So, what exactly do we understand by Pythagoras Theorem? Pythagoras Theorem are usually used for right-angled triangles. Okay? It's a right-angled triangle where this is the hypotenuse. This is adjacent. And this is also adjacent. Okay? What it means is that they are adjacent to the right angle. So let's say that the length of the hypotenuse is A, and the length of this adjacent is B, and this is C. What Pythagoras theorem says is that A squared equals B squared plus C squared. That is what the Pythagoras theorem for every right angle triangle. The square of the hypotenuse equals the square of this adjacent plus the square of this adjacent. Let's solve some examples. So given this triangle, this right angle triangle, we have this side to be 4, this is 3, okay, let's say cm, okay, and we're supposed to find x. So, of course, x is the hypotenuse, this is the adjacent, this is adjacent, so you have 4 squared plus 3 squared equals x squared, and 4 squared is 16 plus 3 squared is 9, and equals x squared. 16 plus 9 gives us 25. And we all know that 25 is 5 squared. Okay, yes. So if x squared is equal to 5 squared, so x is equal to the square root of 5 squared, which gives us 5. So our x equals 5. So let's look at this. You have 13y 5. So the hypotenuse is given and one adjacent is given. We're supposed to find y, the second adjacent. So you have y squared plus 5 squared equals 13 squared. Okay? So you have y squared equals, of course, this is a linear equation. You move this over, you have 13 squared minus 5 squared. And our 13 squared is 169 minus 5 squared is 25. And 169 minus 25 gives us 144. So you have y equals square root of 144. And square root of 144 gives us 12. Sorry, let's assume cm. So we have here to be cm. So our y equals 12 cm. So let's look at this figure. We are supposed to find A and B. Okay? Let's find A and B. So first of all, let's start from this side. Let's start from this triangle. Let's call this triangle A, and let's say triangle C and triangle D. So for triangle C, you have that this is the hypotenuse. So you have 15 squared equals B squared plus 9 squared. So 15 squared is 225 equals B squared plus 81, So you have b squared, okay, this 81 moves over, but 225 minus 81, and it gives you 144. So our b is equal to the square root of 144, which gives us 12. Okay, so we have our b now to be 12 cm. Now we get another we've solved for a, now we try to solve for a. We have our a squared, a is the hypotenuse, equals 12 squared plus 5 squared. That's 144 plus 25, which gives us 169. As a squared equals 169, our a equals square root of 169, which gives us 13. So our a equals 13 cm. Let's talk about Pythagoras triples. Okay, so there are a set of whole numbers which give the length of the sides of right-angled triangles. For example, we know our 3, so for example, 3, 4, 5. You have 7, 24, 25. You have 8, 15, 17, and so on. Then you find out that their multiples are also Pythagoras triples. Like this one now, you can have maybe by 2, you have 6, 8, 10 is a Pythagoras triple. This one you can have, let's say 10, 24, 26, and so on. They're Pythagoras triples. So their multiples are also Pythagoras triples. So this is also, it's still the same thing as, well, the multiple of 2, 24, 25 is also, let's say this one, 14, 48, 50 is also a Pythagoras triple. Okay, 8, 15, 17, you have, let's say 16, 30, 34 is also a Pythagoras triple. I hope you found this video useful. As usual, try and solve as many questions as possible. If you have any questions, any topics that you'd like us to discuss, please use the comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.